于竹山出口下交流道。
Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared. No one did disturb the sound of silence. Fool said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, echoing the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls, the tenement halls, whispering of silence.
Clock strikes midnight, fireworks light. For a moment it feels just right. Smiling faces, warm embraces. Then the next morning I drive to work. People annoy me and I'm spilling coffee all over my favorite shirt. Why do my New Year's resolutions never reach their full evolutions? Faced with the day, it all fades away in January. This year I'll be patient, I'll see beauty in all the little things. Promises fill the room, I still fear it all melts way before spring. 'Cause the next morning we're late for school, people annoy us, and being nice just ends up making us feel like fools. Why do our New Year's resolutions never reach their full evolutions? Faced with the day, it all fades away in January. I think about that summer day when I went on my first date. We danced in an empty parking lot to a song I since forgot. And the first time I held his hand, I thought this boy could be a man. We must have been watching a movie. I think it was Toy Story 3. As long as you remember me and all the ways I used to be, a part of me will always be 18. And time keeps ticking on, it's true. She'll steal away.
，YouTube FM。
农用话拢是中国人，根本就没有赚到钱嘛。
I didn't think much of you till that autumn afternoon. I never would have guessed it would be you. And it was in January when you finally kissed me in a dorm room on York Street, and the rest is history. As long as I remember you and all the things you used to do, a part of you will always be 22. And time keeps ticking on, it's true. She'll steal away our youth, but that's how I'll remember me and you. Boom, boom, bang. And that's the thing about time, you cannot press rewind. If remembering's all I can do, that's how I'll hold on to you. As long as you and I remember all the times we shared together, a part of us will never get older. And time keeps ticking on, it's true. She'll steal away our youth, but that's how I'll remember me and you. Boom, boom, bang. That's how I'll remember me and you. You cannot press rewind. If remembering's all I can do, that's how I'll hold
哦，
on to
现在下雨了，顺便来看看这个排风扇，经过雨的摧残之后会变如何。今天的影片呢，就到这个地方截止咯。对吼，来提一下，这个位置呢，它是在溪头的风景区，应该算外围吧，在内湖国小的附近。刚好原本是要去溪头那边的停车场，想要找森林的意境，拍这种森林的气氛。沿途刚好看到这个空地，感觉虽然没有溪头那边的树这么高大漂亮，但是也不错了，意境也有带到了。那来溪头这边呢，沿途就是很多那个甕仔鸡嘛。刚刚我吃的餐点呢，就是之前来露营的时候有去吃过，吃好几遍了。今天特别外带来这边车上享用，享受这个单人车泊的唯美气氛吗？ 那刚刚那个鸡呢，它是很特别哦，算乌龙茶的，算安阿给吗？我也不太确定，但是吃起来就蛮好吃的，就是带茶香的鸡。那我们下次见咯，拜拜，拜拜。今天比较晚出发，你看现在已经6点了，我还在山上，所以要先赶路回家了。目前是车内没有漏水了，就靠这个，沿着这个毛，让它把水防止让它漏到车内。那这个木头啊，它有涂油，所以你看，它其实水滴是不会吃进去的，但是回去呢，还是要把它弄干。所以这个方式应该是可行吧。
You cannot press rewind if remembering's all I can do. That's how I'll hold on to you.